pipe milling and sawing with FEIN. Tailored solutions from the original inventor of the electric power tool. The world's first electric handheld drill was produced by FEIN. Innovations from FEIN for maximum versatility. Professional tools offering high performance and perfect ergonomics. FEIN when maximum precision is called for. Multifunctional working with FEIN electric power tools and the comprehensive range of FEIN original accessories. Our expertise in the field of professional pipe processing work goes back to the year 1925. FEIN pipe milling machines are known and respected around the world among operators of public utilities for water, gas or oil pipelines, for cylindrical container construction, as well as for use in processing plants and power stations. FEIN has the proper solution. For pipes with diameters up to 140 mm, we offer the FEIN saber saws. And for pipes up to 440 mm in diameter, the FEIN pipe hacksaw with an electric drive and with a pneumatic drive. The FEIN pipe milling machines are available with pneumatic or electric drives. The three-phase motors are flame-proof and protected against moisture for Safety Class 1 and protecting Class IPX4 compliance. FEIN pipe milling machines with pneumatic drives require no oil lubrication and can thus be employed in drinking water areas. Even submersion in the water is possible for a short period of time. FEIN pipe milling machines are ideally suited for cutting cast iron and steel pipes, even those with an inner concrete coating, and PE or PP encasement, for outer diameters of up to 3000 mm. For trimming pipes prior to laying, or installed pipes, and for cutting operations following leaks or pipe ruptures. In order to fit branch pipes and T-pieces, or to install or remove slide valves. FEIN pipe milling machines for cylindrical container construction. The FEIN pipe milling machine is rapidly ready for use. Set the wheel spacing to the desired external diameter. Then place the machine on the pipe and secure it firmly. The chains are laid over the machine and the pipe. The chain ends are connected safely with bolts and securing rings. The various chain sections can easily be joined together to fit any pipe circumference. Setting the correct chain tension is equally effortless. Simply tighten both clamping devices until the pins are positioned within the groove. Now the FEIN pipe milling machine ensures perfect tracking and the milling procedure can begin. For your personal safety, attach the milling machine only when unplugged from the mains supply or with the pneumatic hose detached. The FEIN profile milling cutters are available with a V-shape or a U-shape. For smooth separating cuts, use the circular saw blades from FEIN, available in HSS or HM versions. The pneumatic FEIN coolant and lubrication system ensures a long tool life. The lubricant is biodegradable and environmentally friendly. This version has a flame-proof motor and a flame-proof intermediate switch. The tool is fed smoothly and gently down to the desired cutting depth. The clamping nuts fix the tool securely in the selected position. Three machines with differing drive variants offer the right cutting speed for the particular material being worked on, shown here in quick motion. Motor speed and feed rates are synchronized. A slip clutch protects the drive from overloading. All the machines can also be moved in reverse direction with the tool in place under no load conditions. Perfect and safe working with the pipe milling machines from FEIN. Professionals make use of the advantages offered by FEIN professional tools. When processing short pipes, this pipe manufacturer employs pipe milling machines from FEIN. The dual chain system with separate clamping devices and the adjustable tracking guide setting ensure precise cuts without staggers, even in the case of spiral welded pipes. Reliable technology for high milling performance. From FEIN. When cutting oil or gas pipes, such as at this compressor station, the pipe milling machine with flame-proof and moisture-protected three-phase motor and the flame-proof intermediate switch is employed. Professional skills are also required when working in drinking water areas, such as on this project to expand the Lake Constance drinking water supply. Both laid as well as unlaid pipe sections can be processed effectively with FEIN pipe milling machines. The machines can be employed flexibly, are powerful and extremely robust. The low spray consumption means that processing doesn't lead to ground contamination. Environmentally friendly and reliable quality. From FEIN. Powerful professional machines for pipe processing, for trimming and cutting cast iron or steel pipes. FEIN pipe milling machines. Powerful and reliable, even when employed under extreme conditions. FEIN. Tools for trades.